Okay, I'd like to explain how to use the washing machine. So, of course, put your clothes in. And okay, the easiest way to do. So, this button, turn it on. Okay, and then depends on how much laundry you're doing. You can use this detergent. Okay, so the easiest thing, just put it directly into the washing machine. And close, click that closed. Close the lid, and then this button plays a little tune, and then it will tell you here how long it will take to wash, and then when it's finished it will play a little tune. Okay, that's all.